If you've ever thought PLR content was too generic to use, well, watch this. I'm about to show you how to make it feel deeply human so it builds trust, converts clients, and saves you hours every single week. At PLR.me, we've helped over 300,000 coaches and experts use PLR to launch lead magnets, email funnels, and content libraries without writing an endless amount of content. What used to take them 5 hours now takes 15 minutes because they're not starting from scratch. So where do you begin? By finding the right product. We hop into PLR.me where we can come right up top here and we can search by topic or category. So let's say you're looking for something on parenting. We just type it in there and off we go to find hundreds, if not thousands, 1,239 to be exact, done for you coaching handouts and bundles under the topic parenting. Need a lead magnet? Grab a worksheet or a checklist. Launching a video series? Start with a coaching article or maybe a script. Pick something close to your topic. Then I'm going to show you how to edit with AI. This is where things go from static to completely personalized. So you're going to open your product with the AI assisted text editor. Simply scroll down, find exactly what you're looking for, and choose the AI assisted text editor. From here, we have all kinds of different options. First of all, ask AI, some more AI built right into this text editor. Want a stronger headline than promoting positive self-esteem in children, thoughts and beliefs about parenting? I can highlight that, ask AI to help me out, scroll down, suggest headline, and AI goes to work. There we go. Empower young minds. Unlock the secrets to building positive self-esteem in children. I'm going to replace that, and now I can move down to further customize. Want a more detailed intro? Highlight that once again, ask AI, and let's choose rewrite. Now we're going to replace that selection and keep on moving. Want a relevant quote to go with this coaching piece? If I highlight this, I can ask AI and find a quote. Now I'm going to insert that right below and I can keep moving. Want to expand on your content? Well, you could add some bullets and you could do it once again with Ask AI. The more you add, the more it customizes and personalizes this content to you. Now let's take it one step further and make it sound just like you. You're going to paste in testimonials, maybe stories, maybe your background, because after all, this is a text editor. So I can simply come in, I could copy from anywhere, any document I've already created, and simply paste that right in here. Stories, you can do exactly the same, maybe background, maybe it's your process, anything that you want to drop in and customize, personalize, make it your own. All of a sudden, you go from a one-size-fits-all piece of content to a customized product just for your audience. It's like having a copywriter who already knows your voice, your vibe, and most importantly, your audience. Now, how about credibility? We want to switch this content to make sure we sound like a thought leader, not just a copy and paster. So from here, you could add in that proprietary process, maybe a signature name, maybe an authority level positioning. Now it's not just content, it's intellectual property. Now, before we're ready to hit publish, we want to do a couple more things. So I could come in here once again and ask AI to rewrite, continue, clarify, maybe improve upon something I've already got. I could also change the tone. So if I come into change the tone, I could go from casual to formal, persuasive, funny, simplified, but for this, I want to change it to storytelling. And look at that. If I insert that below, all of a sudden this goes from a simple checklist to an entire conversation between you and your audience. It feels alive, it's relatable, and it's real. So here's what I want you to do next. Head over to PLR.me, pick one piece of content, open it in the AI text editor, and don't waste another hour tweaking content manually. You also don't want to settle for sounding like everyone else. Use this tool, and in 10 minutes, your PLR content is going to feel custom, human, and 100% on brand. Now, if this shifted how you think about PLR, hit like, subscribe for more behind-the-scenes tools and strategies, and drop a comment below to let us know how this helped.